friends, I'm so excited for you because you are now the owner of a Newline Q Series panel. This panel is loaded with features and functionality that will definitely increase engagement and achievement in your classroom like never before. You may be super excited and ready to learn all the things, or you might be a little hesitant wondering, okay, what exactly can I do with this panel? Or you might be somewhere in between. But no matter where you are or how you're feeling, it's okay. We are here for you. By the end of this course, you are going to be ready to teach your heart out with your new Newline panel. The objective of this course is to ensure that you, the instructor, will understand the connections, care, and functionality of your panel and use it with complete confidence. We all know that confidence in using your hardware can really make all the difference. In this demonstration, we will be using the Newline Q Series panel. If you're using a different Newline model, the features may be slightly different, but I'm confident this course will be helpful to everyone, regardless of the panel model. We're going to start with basics and go from there. First, we'll go over the hardware and accessories that come with your panel. Then we'll talk about the care and best practices. And after that, we'll cover signing in as well as understanding and customizing the home screen and floating toolbar that is built into your panel. Next, we'll talk through the quick menu feature. From there, we'll take a look at the whiteboard feature of your panel. And finally, we're going to take a deeper look at all of the applications that you have on your panel. I'm so excited. This is a beginner's level course, so even if you've never seen or touched a panel, we're going to take care of you. We will cover everything you need in this course. Once we're done, there will be an assessment for the course. I know, just what you were hoping, but it's just a brief quiz to check for understanding. As you work through this course, be sure to pause, rewind, and rewatch as you need. And if you have any questions, please let us know. All right, enough with the build-up. Let's get you started on your journey to become a pro at using your Newline panel to elevate teaching and learning in your classroom.